Hello friends, in this video I will show you some top commands of CMD. So let's start. I made the list, prepare the list. There's a top 12 commands. So my first is open CMD directly to any folder. So simple, going to the any folder, like suppose I go in D drive and type just normal CMD. Here's the command is open. So let's start. My second requirement is create folder using CMD. So it's very simple, just type mkdir and folder name. Suppose I name the demo. It's already existing, demo 1 2 3. So let's check and verify. In D drive, here's the folder is created. Okay, so my next is clear your CMD screen. So like I want to type something like and I want this clear, so its simple command is cls. My whole screen is clear. Now my next is change CMD color. So how we color change? So simple, it's color 0A and it's become green. And if you want to like help, so you can type help help color. Here's the list, like 0 is black background and A is light green. So now I've typed 1 or 0 F. Let's change. Now next is check the Windows version. How we check the Windows version? Like my current operating system version. So it's simple, winver. Here's the pop-up screen is coming and they show the version is 1903 OS build and so on. My next requirement is check the system serial number. I want to check my system serial number. So here's the command wmic. Here's my serial number. My next is check the system model. So same command but little bit different. Computer system cap small model. Here's the HP Pavilion laptop 15. Next is check the host number. So for host number we simple type host name. Okay, so my next requirement is like I want to hide some folders through CMD. So I just create a demo 1 2 3. So for this process I type Attrib plus H plus S plus R and folder name demo 1 2 3. And after click we go in the folder and here's the folder is C. Now I want to back unhide that folder. So simple, we use minus sign in place of plus and after that folder is coming. So my next is I want to check my all directories, D drive directories. So simple, we type dir and they show the all directories in my D drive. Next is copy the CMD command in notepad. So like if I am just type dir pipe clip and hit enter, and after that I'm going the new notepad and just Control V, and this full command is paste here, my previous command. Okay, so one command is I think pending, so for this I will again go to the I think shutdown command is left. So for this process, simple, type shutdown space -s, and when I click this this command, when I click on this command, laptop or system will go shutdown, but I'm not click right now. There are three commands we used. -s used for shutdown, R used for restart, and L used for sign out. So hope you enjoying this video, and I will put the all commands in the description. So thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe my channel ASG Techsolutions. So